Like if you see a guy where you like if you shoot your shots, like go tell her, say couple mind, go tell her, say guy I like you.
No.
Yes, no. No.
You grab him. Grab him.
Yo, what up, my people? Your boy again, Funny Parrot, the Bishop of Laughing Ministry. We are out here again in the streets of Lagos. This time around, it's only for girls. You understand? Let's go ask them some little question. Kamayaga Zany. What I will say? Follow me. Hi, good evening. I'm Funny Parrot. What's your name? Faith. What's your name? Mercy. Yo, happy Sunday. Look at you, I'm looking good. Asking people a question. Like, I mean, girls, I understand. Like, if you see a guy where you like if you shoot your shots, like go tell her, say couple mind, go tell her, say guy I like you.
No.
You go.
No, I don't get in mind.
Why that?
No, I just got it.
As if they waste time, what if they waste time, the guy go.
No problem. That.
No problem.
No problem.
The meat go just go like that.
That.
Why now? Why not you couple up your mind? Say, may go meet the guy.
It's too much work.
It's too much work.
Yes.
Okay, but a guy going to a girl is not too much work.
No, it's exactly.
What do you say?
It's stupid. It's their job now. It's their job now.
It's their job. So it's our job.
Now it's your job. You don't just expect a girl to just come and meet you and say I like you stuff. I'm mad. Why? I can't do that though.
You can't do that.
I can't. I beg. Instead they fight for people to close me. Instead they fight for people to close me.
So wait. So look at me now. Do you like me?
I don't like anybody at this point.
You don't like
Unless they are here
anybody?
to spend me money. I like you. They are here to spend money.
Thunder fire.
In fact, I can even shoot myself now.
You can shoot your shot now. If I got there, I don't have money.
I'll be going now. I'm using my phone.
This girl don't finish me. Okay, so without money now, you're not going.
No, it depends though.
It depends, I
Yes.
But why, you know? See, that person, if you shoot your shot, that person be the God sent. But God don't let us say, now you go shoot your shot.
Okay.
Yeah? So you go just miss her like that.
Yes, sir.
Even you go just miss her like that.
I know if you shoot my shot.
No, you shoot your shot. What's your name again? Faith. You.
Mercy.
Well, you go have mercy now.
Mercy. So you never they give me God, they vex me because I don't get mercy.
Oh my God. Guys, let's stay without money. We are not moving, bro. Go make that dope. Go make that money. Okay, no wahala now. Good evening.
Good evening.
My name is Funny Parrot. Are you?
My name is Debbie.
There you go. Happy Sunday.
Same here.
Well, you're fresh.
Thank you.
I just want to ask you a question.
Yeah, now if I can answer
Okay. Have you shoot your shot before?
it. Suit myself.
Like shoot your shots. Like if you see a guy where you like, you go couple
Why
of your
not?
mind.
Yes, no.
Oh, so you think you all?
What's bad in it?
Abi?
Guy, you're
But-
okay, I like you.
But some guys no go fit do am o.
Hey now, but this life now, it's better you say something that you want out before another person will grab it.
What?
What if the guy says no? How you go feel?
No, I'm not going to tell him directly, maybe I want us to date or something. I'm just going to tell him, can we just be friends? But I won't tell him maybe I want to date him. If there is opportunity for us to date, we are going to date. But if there is no opportunity, we are just going to be friends.
Okay. So from that, can we just be friends? Then can now enter the main.
I'm not going to tell him.
You're not going to tell him.
Like me now, me personally, if I like you, once I like you. But it might not be, maybe we should be dating. We can just be a friend.
Okay, now, do you like me?
Me, I do not like you.
So you don't like me? No, forget about it. I'm not saying that because of the pimples wey dey my face. You know,
pimples. You don't get pimples.
imagine say the people no
My
dey.
boyfriend get pimples pass.
You even get boyfriend.
I get my husband, no be boyfriend.
Oh, no wahala, no wahala. Yeah, thank you so much. So what up? I'm Funny Parrot. You?
Huh?
What's your name?
I'm like,
Okay. I want to ask you a question.
what?
Okay. Like, you don't ever see a guy where you like before, like shoot your shot by yourself.
Yes.
Like you go tell the guy say you like him.
No.
Why? But if you see a guy where you like, if you couple up your mind, say no, you go tell the guy say you like him.
Yes, no.
Abi. So because you know say you get some girls who be say they will like a guy, but because say they be girls, they want me the guy come say hi. So what do you have for those girls?
It's normal thing now.
It's normal thing, Abi.
Yes.
Abi. Yeah, thank you. Good evening. My name is Funny Parrot. I'm a skit maker, a content creator. Understand? Please come closer, come closer. Come closer. So what's your name?
Want to read yours?
Normal thing. What's your
My
name?
name is Ashabi.
Ashebi?
Ashabi.
Okay, Ashabi.
Yes.
Okay, you uncle?
Iyanolu.
Idianu?
Iyanolu.
Oh, Idianu Olua. Okay. So there is this question that I've been asking girls. You understand? Like, have you shoot your shot before?
Shoot my shot.
Like, if you see a guy who you like, go meet and go tell her say you like
No.
her.
No.
Why now?
No.
I mean, na because say you never see a guy who you like it.
I've seen many times, but I'm shy.
You are shy. That's why. Now, you know whether that guy go there like say now you and I go mingle
I'm
for
shy. I can't go and meet him. That's
so you can't go and meet a guy. You uncle?
no. Me. I can't.
You can't. You know if you go meet a guy, go tell her say you like her.
Why would I do such?
Why you don't go do that? If you see person wey you go like, you go tell her say But okay, as you know, if you tell her, if you just if you give her a signal, we go make him know say you like you.
Signal, lady. No.
Really, I say that.
Just some people just do their body.
So what's up? You if you do, if you dey give her signal.
I mean, I can't do it. No.
You can't do it. What? See, you fit miss opportunity. So you don't fit meet a guy. Tell her say you like her. Okay. What if the guy come say hi first? You go do guy, I mean you go just rush her.
I will answer.
You answer.
I will not do shakara.
You don't go do shakara again. You say you don't go do shakara again.
I will not do shakara.
But if you don't like it, you go do. If you don't like her, you go do shakara.
I will use him and watch.
You go. No. Okay. What the guy wey you like? What if he come meet you? You go do shakara before you answer her.
No.
You don't go do shakara. You just move.
What
am I trying to say?
You grab him.
Hey! You grab him straight.
Yes.
Yeah, nice one. Okay, what's your name again?
Ashabi.
This one no go come up from my head because they sound like Ashebi. You understand? Ashabi. You uncle?
Yanu.
Yanu.
Yes.
No wahala.